Here are the stairs. Turn.
Tell me when I'm at the top.
You're at the top, yeah. Open.
Sam, I love you, Mom, and what's your son? Is there anything in here that you did?
Tell him what this says.
Today, Love Boy Day. Actually, today is Lover Boy Day.
What does this one say?
I will always love you, Sam. Hey,
What do you think about
will-
that, Samuel?
It's okay. I will have my...
nothing. I'll have my nothing. I'll have
Okay, I'm
nobody.
not done my surprise yet. It's not finished.
Hey, Sam.
Hey, turn around and walk down the stairs properly, you guys.
Do you like it, Sam?
Do you like it, Sam?
He loved today is Lover Boy Day. He loved it.
Why would you write that?
Because today is Lover Boy Day.
What does that mean?
Today's I love my brother so much.
I love you, Turkey.
Love you too.